Okay, welcome back to the construction department at Research College. So I've got a brick here that's eroded and the face has dropped off. We call that spalching, where the brick's got that wet over the period of years and the face has just fallen off the brick, so a little bit unsightly, so we're going to take that out. So I mentioned in the previous video about stitch drilling, so in a minute I'm going to get the drill and all I'm going to do, I'm going to go around the entire perimeter of the brick. So I'm trying to remove all the joints around the brick. Now I'll get you a close-up shot in a moment once I've done the stitch drilling all the way around. But first of all I'm going to put my PPE on. The first thing I'm going to do is, obviously I have to wear these ID badges. Now I'm going to create probably some huge gasps from other members of staff around the campus, but I'm going to take that off. I don't want that hanging around, or a necklace for instance, or a chain, whilst I'm using a drill, because if it gets caught in the drill it's going to get tangled up and I could end up throttling myself. So I'm going to take my ID badge off. You can hear the gasps all around, and I'm going to put on my safety glasses. I'm going to take my hat off for 2 seconds. I'm just pinching the top of the dust mask so it goes around my nose. So I'll do the drilling now, and then I'll give you a close-up of exactly how to go. Hopefully you'll be able to see how I'm holding the drill correctly and how it's done. Okay, so all I've done there is I've gone round the brick using the drill bit to take as much of the mortar joint out as possible. Again, that's called stitch drilling, and I'll bring the camera a little bit closer now so you can see what the next steps are.